guys, we're on the Gangplank Falls with Morgan getting soaking wet. Yeah, look, Mama got wet, we all got wet. Alright, yay! Yeah, oh yeah! Yeah, this is crazy. This one really got us wet today, guys. Mama's. Yeah, now we're stopped. And here comes the other guys. They're gonna bang into us. Here we go. We came to a stop. Oh. Yay! Yeah, we stopped. What did we stop? Here we go again, guys. Gangplank Falls. Let's see who gets it this time, guys. It looks like Morgan. No, Daddy, yay! I got lucky. I didn't get it that much. Here we go. Oh, Marley got it again. Oh, they keep getting it on the side there. Oh, they got it again. Morgan's gonna get it in the back. Oh, they're over the top. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is so not good for your back. And that's it.